Oh, so today we gonna be trio rating on the hood. It's EGIRLS. You got EGIRL 1, 2, and then you got me, and we're gonna be rating people. You know. Yeah, we got my boy Kev. Say what's up, bro.
Yo.
And then we got this kid. They're not in the PC, but we will be rating on the game. Yeah. What the fuck is Bella?
I'm stuck.
Did the op spin back?
I mean, I'm stuck. Bro, I just got stuck.
By who?
Like, I got stuck inside the stair.
Oh. I see Bella. This nigga, hey, I see both of them. Come up here. Fuck, they jumped me. Holy shit, I was onto the wrong fucking person. I see him. Shit on. This nigga shooting me for it.
That was awful.
Oh my god, like.
Hey, some girls just don't Bella. Damn. It's bro, his name Lurkin X and Lala Lana.
Bro, my.
Holy fuck. Bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, when I get on 16 ping, I'm a whole new person.
What does she mean when she get on 60 ping? She's a whole new person. My nigga, you're jumping. Hello? Like what, bro? Shit makes no fucking sense. Nigga sped as fuck.
Like,
Oh, that's you. Kill Lurkin, bro.
oh, this girl comes out.
Behind you, nigga. Shit.
Oh, I ain't see her.
Fuck are they? Oh, I see one right here. Yeah, come on. Spawn in. Fuck down. Fuck you. Oh, she spawned back too. Yeah. Where's she gonna spawn at?
Yo, I'm just running around.
I can't.
Where is everybody?
Military base. I just killed him. Who the fuck is? Alright, bro. Bro, I'm lagging. Holy fucking lag, dude. Oh, we dead ass. I just lagged like a bitch. Who the fuck is this? Oh, it's this same guy, James Avatar. Oh, one of them going back. boy. It's on, boy. You know who I am?
Like 10 minutes.
Damn, I just got jumped. Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, no way. Bro, this aim system with the lock is so cooked. It is not this ass in any other Da Hood game.
This one sucks. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm saying, yeah, this game low key bombs.
Like, this one sucks, bro.
I just got stoned by some hairless dude named Han Jassim, bro.
Yeah, this one sucks. I'm locking on to niggas that not even like in the map.
I have no idea how that shot just hit. Bro, these niggas are jump made, bro. Like this shit in the chat. These niggas suck. We gonna play this for like 10 more minutes, bro. Just some more content. And then we gonna join and help him, alright?
Alright.
Yeah, I gotta get off this trash ass game. This shit is fucking up my lock.
Moldy pizza, let's go. I'm in my name, Moldy's Peaches.
You're holding hands.
Like, you niggas are trash. Why the fuck is he shooting me? I'm coming to help you, nigga. Damn.
But why isn't this script working?
Easy. Oh, easy. Easy. Oh, she got her note.
Yeah. Yeah. Get that. Yeah, these niggas trash, bro. They fucking logged, bro. Niggas bonds.
They all logged?
One of them did, bro. They logged and came up coming back. They suck.